I am Suzy, the official spokescat for 3 Cool Cats. This is the video response to
Is meowing Suzy's favorite thing in the world? Huh? Is it her favorite thing in the world? I think it is. I think it is. I think meowing is Suzy's favorite thing in the world. Yeah, it is. It's just her favorite thing. She loves to meow. Meow. Ow. Give me my hand back. Okay. She's a big time meowler. Yes, she is. Big time meow. Goodness. She don't like me to touch her belly. You're in a bad mood today. Huh? You in a bad mood? Wow. Poor old Suzy. Okay. I think that's enough. I think that's enough.